For 2 years, I paid Midjourney $30 a month. It was the undisputed king of AI art. But yesterday, I canceled my subscription. Not to save money, but because Google just released something that breaks the fundamental rule of generative AI. They call it Nano Banana Pro, powered by Gemini 3. And it does the one thing Midjourney promised it would never do. Today, we are going to stress test it. We are going to try to break it. And by the end of this video, you might be canceling your subscription too. Welcome back to The Code. I am Algo Alex. If you have ever tried to make a comic book or a YouTube channel with AI, you know the pain. You generate a character, he looks great. You generate him again, and suddenly he has a different nose, different hair, and... Are those 6 fingers? This is the consistency problem. Diffusion models like Midjourney are great artists, but they have the memory of a goldfish. Every prompt is a new roll of the dice. Google claims Gemini 3 has fixed this. Not improved it. Fixed it. Let's stop talking and start the test. I'm pasting my Alex prompt. A 3D Pixar-style boy, dark hoodie, glowing blue circuit lines. Boom! There he is. Now, the impossible test. I am not going to re-describe him. I am just going to say to Gemini, now put him in a 1950s diner eating a burger. Look at that. Same hoodie, same face structure. Even the glowing lines are consistent. Let's push it harder. Make him angry because he dropped the burger. The emotion changes, but the identity stays. This isn't image generation anymore, folks. This is virtual photography. But consistency is only half the battle. As a computer science grad, I know why older models struggle with text. They treat letters like shapes, not language. Gemini 3 is different. It is natively multimodal. It reads before it draws. Let's try. A neon sign in a rainy window that says, "Subscribe to Algo Alex." Perfect spelling, no gibberish. If you are making thumbnails, this feature alone is worth the switch. Now hold on. Before you go delete your Discord account, we need to be honest. Look at these 2 images of a fantasy landscape. The Midjourney one on the left has soul. It has texture. It looks like a painting. The Google one on the right, it looks a bit stock photo. It's too clean. And there is something else. SynthID. Every image you generate here has an invisible, permanent watermark embedded in the pixels. Google knows you made it. For commercial work, that is great for copyright. But for privacy, that is a debate we need to have in the comments. So, is Midjourney dead? If you are an artist who wants pretty textures, keep Midjourney. But if you are a storyteller, a business owner, or a YouTuber who needs consistent characters and perfect text, Nano Banana is the new king. I made the switch because I need Alex to be Alex. Question for you. Does Google's hidden watermark bother you, or is it a fair price for this power? Let me know below. Now, I have one more question for the next deep dive. Do you want to see me build an AI trading bot, or a local LLM privacy server? Let me know in the comments which code you want me to break down next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next epic.